Hi everyone, this is Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums, and I am going to make a card. I use some Strathmore bristle paper, a stamp set from Avery Elle, and an assortment of alcohol ink markers. They're all different kinds. I may have one or two Copics, but I just don't have the budget for Copic markers. So let me show you how I made the cards. I first started out by stamping the cards on the piece of Bristol paper, and then I will go ahead and color. I'm not so worried about coloring in the lines because, as you know, I'm going to cut it out. I start with my lightest value and color in all the areas of that one color set. And then I will use a darker value, the medium one, for the shadows, and then just slightly take the darkest value and go along the areas that I want to have the deepest. Then I go back with my lightest marker and just color it all in so it sort of stays wet and blends. And you'll notice over time it will blend in even more. I go ahead and color that sweater sort of a blue-gray, and then just lightly add some shadows to part of the sweater. I'm going to use red for some of the accents, and I do need to do a little pink on his cheeks. There we go. So, and here I'll show you the bear in a little better detail. So all over with the lightest value, and then I'll use the medium value. And again, I'm not showing you what marker this is specifically because they're a mixed set. So just grab your markers, make sure they all are in the same color family, and color it in. Use the lightest value, then the medium value, and then the darkest. And then I'll go ahead and color the rest of these fun Christmas animals. The stamp set by Avery Elle is called Oh Tiny Tree, and I just think it's just so adorable. There's elements on there that I didn't even use. All right, so now I'm going to put on some fun Christmas music, and you can sit back and watch and enjoy, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the video. Alright, now I'm just putting the final details on. I'm just adding some glue, putting all those little teeny ornaments on the tree. I might add some Wink of Stella or something to add a little sparkle to it, but I might not. And I'll just take a look at it for a little bit. And that's how I made this card using the Avery Elle Oh Tiny Tree stamp. Hope you like this. Thanks so much. Have a fabulous